Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. I figured I'd check out this whole kitchen area over here, see what they have. So I'm noticing this double knife set. It's up too high, but I just want to show you. Then you have this kind of knife set right here and this one. Let me see if they have it lower. So they have this kind and this kind. Okay, so you have them down here. It's a paring knife. I never noticed all those knives before. Then you have the clips. Here's the clips right here. So that's really nice. They're pretty stocked over here. Here's the cake decorating kit right here, and here's the drain stoppers. You get two. And then you have these white bowls over here. You get two. Here's the stove covers, the burner covers, and then you have the two-piece plates over there. Here's the splatter screen, guys. Then you have all your bakeware down here. Your loaf pans and your pizza pans and your cookie pans and muffin pans. Then on the very bottom there you have your ice trays, and then you have your toothpicks and your matches. And then your kitchen matches, and then here you have all of your utensils, guys. See them? And I think these are two for $1. Then you have your sink strainer. And there you have your apple core right there, and then you have your vegetable brush, and here you have some toothpicks, and here's an electric timer. Then you have your scoops right here, guys. I don't think I ever noticed that one. And here's your mess strainers, and then these handheld graters. So you have those, and then you have your kitchen scissors, and you have your spatulas over there. You have two different kind, and then here are your mess strainers. Here's your wooden sticks, and here's your white cutting boards, and there they are in red. Here's your napkin holders, guys. So here you have your thongs, and then here you have these are pot holders, silicone pot holders. So here you have some more of the utensils. And look, they have a skimmer. That's pretty neat. So you have some more of that. Look at all their utensils, guys. They're pretty loaded up. And their spatulas, and over there's all of their Betty Crocker stuff. Here's your measuring cup, your salt and pepper, and your spoon rests. And they have it in this white, the black, and the red. Then you have some measuring cups right here. Some spatulas. Then you have some silicone utensils over here. Here's your measuring cups, and here's your strainer. Here's your ladle. Look at this, guys. The measuring spoons and the measuring cups, and look at this. The basting brush, the scissors. They come in the red, and then they come the whole set in the black, which I think is pretty neat. So here you have some plastic containers over here. Some of them are double pack, and then some of them are triple pack. Those are pretty neat. These are all Betty Crocker, guys. And this is the Sure Fresh. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out all of their accessories over here in the kitchen, kitchenware. And I'll see you guys in another video.